Hey, how's it going, Tara and Steven? Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. This is Devin again. I'm just going to be showing you really quickly in this video three things I found on your website you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers right away. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there who are just spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners out there who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do all this stuff for me. Whatever you want to do, this info is okay with me if you want to do it yourself or if you want some help. All I ask for is just some feedback at the end of the video to let me know what you thought about the information. Now, what I'm going to talk to you about today is three things: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, I just wanted to say that your website is absolutely beautiful from a design point of view. Your logo is awesome. This photo is really nice. Everything, I love the animations. This is a professionally designed website. It looks beautiful. Unfortunately, Google doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about is mostly this content right here. The average website on the homepage of Google right now has about 2,000 words of content, and in Google's eyes, those are the most valuable websites because they provide the most information. So they search through this content and look for keywords. Now I'm going to look and see how much content you have. You currently have 1,077 words. So like I said, the average one on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words. You're going to probably want to add about another 1,000, but you're also going to want to make sure you have some keywords in there that you want to rank for. So I know that you're already ranking pretty good for Sweeney, but like 30 minutes down the road you have Lake Jackson. And so you can type in a keyword such as like AC, repair, Lake Jackson. Yeah, you don't have that anywhere in here. You don't even have AC repair anywhere on the page. So when people search that in, it's not easy for Google to recognize that you're there. So you want to make sure you have those exact match keywords inside of your content and get it up to 2,000 words. That's tip number one. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and so they want to make sure that you have a bunch of other trustworthy websites linking to you, vouching for you. But they're going to prefer links that are coming from relevant sites. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another like HVAC company linking to you versus like Baskin Robbins linking to you. Google knows that you're not a ice cream company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There are free tools out there. It just does give you a lot of really valuable data. And it says you guys just barely started adding links in October of 2020, and you currently have 7 websites linking to you, and they seem to be pretty high quality websites. So that's a really, really good news. And the better news is it's not that far away from beating Switzerland Plumbing, by the way, or Heating and Air. By the way, you can see this is their website. I think your website looks a lot better, and they don't have 2,000 words of content, so you're going to blow them out of the water. But anyways, to beat these guys, you have 7 websites linking to you. They have 28. So what I would do, I wouldn't just add 21 to match them. I would add like 30 or 40 to completely blow them out of the water. And the best way to do that is just to copy them. So you just go over here, click on their links, or you can, and again, any tool you can check this out, but go see the websites that are pointing to them. Go visit those websites, and you either create an account with them and put like the link in your profile, or you click the contact us button and get those websites contact them to get a website linking to you. But just by following those 2 tips with the content and the websites, the backlinks, that's how you take the organic spot, which is one of 3 places you can show up on Google. Organic is right here. You can also show up in the ads, or the last place you can show up is right here in the Google My Business section. This is the best place to show up. This is where most traffic goes. To get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors, and a citation is just anywhere where your exact name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. A directory just being like, Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, stuff like that. What I would do is I would go and figure out how many directories Prather and Harlan is sitting in. Go put yourself in those same ones and add a bunch more on top. Like if they were in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in 250, if not 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to get 2,000 words on this homepage and put exact match keywords in there. You're going to want to add probably about 30 to 40 websites pointing to you so you can beat Switzerland Air and Heating. And then figure out how many websites or how many directories Prather and Harlan is sitting in, put yourself on those same ones, and then a lot more. And if you just follow those tips, that's how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? You can take this information, you can do it yourself, get yourself ranked up right here and get a bunch of business. That would make me super stoked. I would love to hear your success story, and I'd love to hear some feedback on what you thought about this video. If you want to continue running your business and you want any help doing it, or you just don't want to worry about doing it, but you do want more customers, you can give me a call. I can see if I can help you. If I can, I'll still put you in the right direction. My phone number is in the email that I sent you, and you can also just respond to the email. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.